All right. I got a 2024 GMC 3500, but I think this would apply to the 2500s as well. One of my biggest complaints is I have a work phone and a personal phone, and I can only charge one at a time with the wireless charger there, and my work phone is a iPhone 14, and it doesn't like to charge on this with or without the case. So I think this is pretty low voltage charging. So I've been working on developing something that I can install here and set my phone on. In order to do that, unfortunately, I do need to remove this, and we're utilizing this hole, which we'll have to drill out ever so slightly and then install a rivet nut. Okay, so drill bit for these rivet nuts that I have would be like 27/64 is what the math comes out to. I'll show you, I guess, real quick. So go ahead and measure that guy's OD. It's a 0.42, and quick Google gave me 27/64 as the closest drill bit size. I don't have one of those. I do have one of those though. So I'm going to go ahead and drill that just a little bit. It doesn't need to be much bigger, just enough. There we go. Let's see if we got that. Boom. Perfect.
$14 $14. Normally, obviously, you have to come in from that direction. There you go. You got this in your center console. You just tighten it away. So really pressing. Yeah, basically what the finished product looks like. Ideally it doesn't do that weird thing there, but it should still hold. You can see here how it'll be crimping into the plastic, etc. Next part.
Alright, so this is an M8 metric 8mm. Thread it in. There we go, we're nice and tight. And cinch it up. There we go. There. Got it in. Nice and tight. Okay, so we're getting this all lined up. Get him screwed in. Go. And again, things start to be a little tight. I'll get the 6mm out. There we go. Snug it up really good. Go. And then next Let me add this piece on.